Hi everyone, this is Jennifer Moreno-Calix, graduate student at Houston Baptist University, and this is my portfolio screencast presentation for LTDE 5306, Technology Planning and Administration. Welcome to my portfolio. This semester, we have completed several assignments that have allowed me to continue my development as a professional. In my homepage, I decided to incorporate the vision and mission statement I wrote for one of our previous discussions. I think this helped me further articulate the role I would like to take in the future. If we go ahead and click on more and click on technology resources, I have organized all of the resources gathered by course. So as you can see here is my TPAC and SAMAR presentation videos. I remember this one was challenging to create, but it was very rewarding once I finished it for many reasons. My knowledge and the implementation of technology models was very limited prior to that week. Now I know the difference in integration and purpose when implementing technology in the classroom. Also, I had never used Powtoon before, and it was a very interesting experience creating it. Below is the link to the online professional network attached to this clip art. I found many interesting resources and podcasts that are helping me now as we prepare for the next school year. As I have mentioned before, I am currently working as a teacher and I'm in both LTDE and school counseling graduate programs. I wanted to be able to include all of my experiences into both my teaching and also my future endeavors. An opportunity to showcase this was the innovative plan of change. So if we go back more, innovative plan of change, this helped me reflect on the importance of data in planning and implementing change in my current learning community. I look forward to continuing my learning journey throughout this program. Thank you and have a blessed day.